Welcome to Intro to Korean, Week 1. We're going to start today by talking about basic sentence structure. We'll need to know about the subject of the sentence, the object of the sentence, and the verb of the sentence. Our example sentence today is Pusheen ate an apple. So we want to know who is performing the action, which is the subject. We want to know what is being acted upon, which is the object. And we want to know what the action is, which is the verb. So in this case, the subject is pusheen, the object is the apple, and the verb is to eat. In English, we have a subject-verb-object agreement, which means we say the subject, and then the verb, and then the object. I love my boyfriend. In Korean, we have a subject-object-verb agreement, which means we say the subject, then the object, then the verb. I, my boyfriend, love. In English, it's I, my boyfriend, love my boyfriend. In Korean, it's I, my boyfriend, love. 저는 제 남자친구를 사랑해요. Here is a chance for students to take a moment and attempt on your own. You don't need to know any of the words in Korean, just the order. Just like earlier we said, in English the order would be I love my boyfriend. In Korean the order is I, my boyfriend, love. I'm going to go ahead and give you a moment to pause and answer all of these questions. I hope that was enough time for you to pause and come back and write everything, because now we're going to go over what the answers are. There's I, chocolate like. 저는 초콜릿을 좋아해요. Yumi, apple ate. 유미는 사과를 먹었어요. Mike, Korean speaks. Mike는 한국어를 할 수 있어요. Minji, book, read. 민지는 책을 읽어요. Sarah, movie, watched. 사라는 영화를 봐요. Now we're going to go over particles and markers, another way to form the sentence properly. Today we'll talk about the subject and the object particles, and for today, you just need to know that 는 is a topic particle, but we will discuss in a later video and later class more details on the topic marker. So let's distinguish the difference between the usage of 이, 은, 을, and 가, 는, 을. For 이, 을, 은, we attach the particle to a word that ends in a consonant. And for 가, 을, 는, we attach the particle to a word that ends in a vowel. Here are some examples. 밥을, 학생이, 사람이, 씨는, 친구가, 언니는. Once again, I'm going to give you guys a chance to pause the video and fill in the blanks. Go ahead and fill in the blanks now. I hope that was enough time to pause and fill in the answers, because here are the answers now. 유미 씨는 사과를, 강아지가 딸기를, 마이크는 삼겹살을, 선생님이. Let's distinguish between the subject particle and the object particle. The subject particle is used to emphasize what is performing the action. The object particle is used to emphasize what is being acted upon. Our example sentence is Pusheen ate an apple. The subject being pusheen, the object being apple, and the verb being to eat. The Korean word order is subject, object, verb, and we currently have the sentence in Korean word order. Subject, pusheen, object, apple, verb, to eat. pusheen, 사과, 먹어요. But now, to add the next layer, let's also incorporate particles. We'll want to attach the subject particle to the subject of the sentence and the object particle to the object of the sentence. Go ahead and take a moment to pause and fill in the blanks. Okay, here are the answers. It's 부신이 사과를 먹어요. One more time, we're going to give you a chance to fill in the blanks and see if you understand the usage of subject particle versus object particle. I'll give you a few seconds to pause, write all the answers, and then when you come back, we'll have the answers. I hope that was enough time to pause and write down all your answers, because here are the answers now. Minji likes Sarah. 민지가 사라를 좋아해요. Minji is the subject of the sentence. She is the one performing the action. She's the one that likes something. Sarah is the object of the sentence. She is the one being acted upon. And 좋아해요, like, is the verb. Sarah does not like Minji. 민지를 사라가 안 좋아해요. So Sarah is the subject of the sentence, so she has 사라가. Minji is the object of the sentence, so she has 민지를. Because Sarah is the one who is performing the action. She is the one that does not like something. It may seem confusing because the words have been flipped. But because we have the particle attached, we understand which is the subject and which is the object. I did not eat the apple. 제가 사과를 안 먹었어요. I am the subject, and the apple is the object. Drank coffee. 커피를 먹었어요. So coffee is the object of the sentence. And in this case, the subject of the sentence is omitted. It's assumed. Mary went to school. 마리가 학교에 갔어요. In this case, we have the subject of the sentence, which is Mari, but we don't have an object of the sentence. And that's okay, because not every sentence needs to have a subject and an object. But it does actually have two particles here. One that we'll learn about in a later lesson, right here, which is the locative particle e. Anyway, that is the end of the lesson for today. Good job. I'll put more hopefully helpful info in the description, and also for my class on Discord, I'll put it on Discord as well. Okay, have a good day. Thank you guys. Bye.